Okay, if you want your fine microphone, the AM8, that doesn't work with the base cable. Like, don't use this that comes within the box. Use like a different cable, like I'm using right now. But don't use an extender because it's just gonna sound like this, but a little bit clearer because this wire isn't directly into the PS5. So yeah, but I'll show you how it sounds. Hello. 1, 2, 3, 4. See? Like you can hear me kind of because I was whispering, but if I turn the gain all the way up, you'll hear me. As you saw, like, see, fine microphone. I'm not talking to the controller. It's just a fine microphone. But yeah, just find a different cable. That's all.